Just trying to peel this potato and it's actually a lot of effort. But yeah, I mean, if you put a good music in the background.
I will, but I can't because of the copywriting.
Into the pot, into the pot. It's going into the pot.
So we're making mash of it.
Yeah, I will make mash of it. So that's why it's not important how we cut it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Salmon and we put it in here. Can't wait to eat it. And we can spray a bit of oil.
Show me what I put in there in
I
the
wouldn't
camera.
spray usually, but
Show it to me.
so that's okay. Right. Let's try the greens you have. What is that exactly?
It's from my grandma.
That will do. We need some greens. Like you don't just do salmon with no greens. Like some kind of.
Okay.
Cabbage. I don't know how to cut the cabbage, so pardon me for my technique. Don't forget to mention them that they need chili in this. And it's just us, we're not having chili, but actually you need chili. Okay, so if you make the salad,
Do you need any milk or butter or something?
no. So, smashed.
He is. I can hear him.
What is that?
How is you think this?
We are.
That is mine.
So we worked out that you're not going to eat salad. So we have more salad. I'm sure you're not a fan of mango, right? Or anything on that plate. What is this?
Fish.
Give me something normal.
Try it, babe. Sweet potatoes. Mash.
Mash. Dominic.
Yeah, Dominic is eating sweet potatoes.
Yes.
And Evelyn.
More salt.
Okay, show me.
Already salt in that barbecue thing.
Okay, pretend you're just
I don't know how do you pretend.
It's okay. You look
Okay.
really.
This is so weird.
Why?
Never know ever film me.
Go.
Yeah.
That's it. Go.
This is very sexual.
Okay. Come closer. Yeah.
Coming in from this side. We're just cutting avocado.
Mango.
Yeah, mango. After that, we will cut avocado, okay?
Yeah.
Just don't forget to mention them that they need chili in this. And it's just us, we're not having chili, but actually you need chili.